Baka ano na naman, may weight limit na.
No.
Can we ride it?
Yeah, we will. Tamo, 4 nga sila. Paano weight limit? 3, 4, oh.
4 na payat.
Oh, 2 kayo.
Hindi ba ito yung parang sa Dazay?
Do you like it, Ate Kobe? Yeah, it's cool.
Uy,
Do
umutot.
you like it? I will out again.
Yak.
Yeah. Dad, do you know Undertaker?
What's up with Brookhaven?
You know why you can? There's a lot of secrets. Because at the backpack, you will see they have guns. Because if you get the box, you know what it allows you?
What?
It allows you to create scary stuff and
Create, not create.
create. And you know what happened?
No.
I saw a giant crack, so we're making a plan to fight. And then I put the crack for Ate on the phone.
Pink tayo, park ticket
Say
holder.
we're going to be the securest place now. Right?
You know what that means?
My mom. Do you know what? Do you know?
Do you know who else?
Like, phone? My mom.
My mom!
My mom.
Whoa. You can buy this.
I want that.
Oh my! Ate Kobe, can you... Oh, wait. I'll give... Mommy, get some tickets na.
Mom.
May ticket na.
Mom.
Scan lang.
Wait, yeah, wait. Calm down,
I'll get you one.
Saga.
I'll get you
No,
one.
I'll get Saga na lang. And then the change is yours na lang, ate.
Can I click it?
Yeah, wait. Calm down, Saga.
I want that too.
Wait, you share na lang. Okay. You share na lang with Saga.
Pwede mo drink sa loob?
I'll go. Yeah, of course.
Parang alam ko.
Pwede.
Only one chocolate again.
Oh, Saga, Ate Kobe, that's yours na.
Change this one.
That's a lot. Oh, Papa Jesus gave you na, ha? Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Papa.
I'll put it there. Oh. Tiyan mo tong batang to. Oh, Saga. No, you drink it na. Kanina you say you
I
like
can
it.
hold it. I want to hold it na lang.
Oh.
It's mine. Yes, oh, thank you.
No, wait. Come on. Guys, you walk while...
Is that the coin bag? I have a small coin bag. I have a lot of coins. How many coins? 101.
Mommy, check those purse. Purse or first?
Bloxy Cola for you.
Hindi na pupunta doon.
Alam ko scan.
Uy, birthday niya. I think it's their birthday. Saga.
Adult, is it child? Okay.
Say hi.
Okay, two adults, two child, passport, bank details, and four child, present for passport. Yes.
Say thank you.
Have a nice day. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hindi ko alam para saan to.
Their passport.
Oh, pass. For the third.
For the what now?
And then,
Saga.
kay Sagat. Ay,
Can you pick it up? Dito tayo? Here. Guys. Just Puto! Saga. Teka. Uy! Mami!
Goodness, wait.
Wait, don't move.
Why did
Wait.
Mami, panas mo. Ay, oo nga, yung kamay niya. Dami pa.
Ano ba yan? Dito pa talaga. Come on, Saga.
Ito pa, punasan mo pa.
Inang takip niya yun.
Hindi naman niya sinasadya. Here, let's stay here nga. Mami, ayun na basuran. Sag Kobe, I'll put this to you.
Saga, hold. I'll throw lang your
mine?
Don't sneeze on it, ah. Is it gonna get
How
removed?
many is it?
Saga, come. You give that to ate. No, the drink. Oh my goodness, it's so sticky. My enemy. Give me your
Like sticky.
I hate sticky, remember?
I opened it by myself.
Yeah, good job.
Paano?
We drink.
Bobo, wait! Oh my goodness, tinulak mo na.
Sorry.
Wait.
Sige.
Ako.
Asi sa'yo.
Huwag masikip.
You're gonna have everyone.
Ay.
Or you want to put your stuff there first?
Yan.
Wanna take a photo of Puto? Oh, where's Puto? Go, let's take a photo of Puto. That guy.
I just put that one.
Ah, we're so slow.
Wala.
It's a bike training. Do you wanna bring them to a bike training?